In this video, I will show you how to solve problem 18 of chapter 6 in the Ross probability book. Basically, the problem is they gave you a line of a segment of length L, and they have the middle point L over 2, and they pick two random points, one on the right of the middle, and one on the left of the middle. And the problem asks, what is the probability of the distance between the right and the left, this is x and this is y, is greater than the length of the segment divided by 3. Now, the variables are distributed, the x between 0 and L over 2, and the y between L over 2 and L. Now, for doing this, I'm going to do a graph in x and y. I'm going to put something here. I'm going to put L. I'm going to divide because, remember, we have 2 and 3. At least common denominator is 2 and 6. I'm going to divide this in 6 parts. 1 part, 1L, 1 L over 6, 2L over 6, 3L over 6, 4X over 6, 5L over 6. Okay, L over 6, 2L over 6, which is L over 2, 3L over 6, 4L over 6, 5L over 6, and 6L over 6. The same thing I'm going to do with the top, with the y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1L over 6, 2L over 6 with L over 3, 3L over 6 with L over 2, half, 4L over 6, 5L over 6, and 6 over 6, 6L over 6. Now, the problem wants us to, okay, the whole domain in the problem is enclosed here. Remember, because the x goes from here to here, from here to here, and the y goes from here to here. Now, delete those little lines. Now, we have to, this is the whole thing. This is length L over 2 and L over 2. Now, the whole area of the domain, the area is going to be L over 2 squared, which is L over L squared divided by 4. And then to find the probability, we have to divide by the whole area after we find the area of interest. Now, our area of interest is when y minus x is greater than L over 3. And then let's graph the line y equals x plus L over 3 here. When x equals 0, we have this number. I mean, we get L over 3, which is 2L over 6, which is this one. And when L equals L over x equal L over 2, we have y equal L over 2 plus L over 3, which is y equal 5L over 6, which is 5L over 6 is here. And now we draw the line here. And now what we have to do is find the shady area. And once we find the shady yellow area, we divide it by L squared over 4, and we get the final answer. Now, let's do the area here. The area is going to be the area of the whole thing minus the area of the triangle. This triangle here. And this triangle has base time height is 1/2 times the base and the height. Now the area of the region, is gonna be the whole area, which is L squared over 4 minus the area of the little triangle. And the little triangle have, let's see, if this is L over 2, L over 2 to L over 6, sorry. If this is L over 6, this is L over 6, then we have to reach, we have two more here. We got 1 and 2L over 6. That means it's going to be 2L over 6, which is going to be L over 3. It's going to be the base is going to be L over 3 minus L over 3 divided by 2. Okay, times the height first. The height is going to be, we have 1 and 2. The height is going to be 1L over 6 plus another 1 before reaching the other half, which is going to be L over 2L over 6. Again, 2L over 6, we're going to be L over 3 times L over 3, same L, divided by 2, because this is the base, this is the height, and divided by 2. And then we have the area of the region is going to be L squared over 4 minus L squared over 18. Now, the least common denominator here is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 12. No, sorry. 36 divided by 4 is 9, sorry. 9 L squared. And 36 divided by 18 is 2 minus 2 L squared. And we have that 9 minus 2 is 7 L squared divided by 36. And that's the area of the region, but the probability that y is great minus x is greater than L divided by 3 is going to be the area of the region divided by the area, the total area, the total area, which is going to be 7 L squared over 36 divided by L squared over 4. And then we multiply by the reciprocal, 7L squared over 36 times 4 divided by L squared. They all square cancel with each other. And then we're going to have 4 times 7. 36 is 4 times 9. And then we cancel the 4s. And the final answer is going to be 7 over 9. Means the probability that y minus x is greater than the length of the segment divided by 3. If we pick the points in that order, it's going to be 7 divided by 9.